Downloading your account data from Venmo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and save your transaction history. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your mobile device. Ensure you're logged into your account with your credentials. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the icon or your profile picture in the top corner to open a menu. Scroll down and select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy. This section contains options related to your account's data and privacy settings. Step 4. Request account data. Look for the option labeled Download your data or Request account data. Follow the prompts to request a copy of your transaction history and account information. Step 5. Check your email. After submitting your request, check the email associated with your Venmo account. You will receive a link to download your data once it is ready, which may take some time. By following these steps, you can easily download your account data from Venmo. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Venmo support for assistance.